I'm going to tell you the 5 things that I love about keto. So if you are wanting to know exactly what those things are, stick around so you can find out. Alright guys, before we start this video, I want you to head over to Your Keto Goals on Facebook and check out the new giveaway that they're offering right now. One lucky person will win the complete YKG Ultimate Trio set valued at $144.95, you guys. You definitely want to go ahead and enter this giveaway. Go over to their Facebook, click on the link. This link will also be listed down in the description box below, and you can sign up with just your name and your email address. If you're curious to know exactly what comes in the YKG Trio package, you can definitely go onto the website. It comes with the fat burner pills, the super slimming drops, as well as the protein meal replacement shake. Also, definitely check out the Instagram page for yourketogoals.com as well to be in the know with all the new things going on with your keto goals, because you surely don't want to miss the next big thing. All right, now let's go ahead and get into the video. Welcome back to my channel. It is Ambersharniece. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel today and clicking that video. Okay. So since you're here, if you are not subscribed to my channel, girl, what you waiting for? You're gonna love it here. Also, you guys go ahead and like this video. Smash the like button right now. Okay. I haven't even started talking about what I'm gonna talk about yet, but I want you to go ahead and smash the like button. Comment down below. For today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am filming a 5 things that I love about keto. Now, you guys have probably already seen my 5 things that I hate about keto video. If you have not watched that video yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, but you should go watch it right now. I'll leave that video up in the cards and down in the description box below so that you can check that one out as well. All right, so the very first thing that I love about the keto diet, let me tell you guys, the keto diet works insanely fast. The crap works so fast, your folk is gonna think you on crack. Do you understand me? I'm telling y'all, like a week into keto, you can be down by 10 pounds already. And I am not exaggerating. I am not lying to you. I promise you, that's insane. I don't know any other diet that does that. So if you're looking to, get something like a really quick weight loss thing or situation going on, definitely check out the keto diet. I'm telling you. It's legit, y'all. You're gonna lose weight really fast. Another thing that I love about keto is that it keeps me super duper focused. Whenever your body goes into that ketosis state and you're getting there and you get to the sweet spot that I like to call in the keto, pretty much like when you start ketosis, you feel horrible, right? You feel like your headaches and you feel fatigued, all that good stuff. But once you get past that initial, oh, my body's into ketosis type of situation, you get to the sweet state of the ketosis where you are like tunnel vision. You're focused on every single little thing. I feel like people that have ADHD should go on keto just because you can stay focused so well on this diet. Like, it's insane. Okay, so pretty much like anything that I'm focusing on, like I love being on keto when I'm thinking of a new thing to do or planning something, because I can think of every single piece of detail that I need to do. And I don't have the sharpest memory, like whatsoever, like short-term memory, I guess you could say. So like I forget things quite often. And whenever I'm on keto, I tend not to forget things as much as I normally do. So that's a really, really big benefit for me whenever I'm doing the keto diet. I really love the fact that I can, I can focus on things. I can get things done. I can push out content like this. Like, it's nothing to me to be on keto and be able to do those things. Another thing that I like about keto, or one thing that I love about keto, is that my energy is always at a high when I'm on keto, y'all. Like, I can go outside, run about 2 miles, come back in the house, cook, clean, do my work, edit videos. Like, my energy is up here, play with the kids. Like, I feel really good when I'm on keto. I'm able to get up and do things and not be sluggish and just, tired and stuff like that. Now, I did tell you guys, when you're on ketosis, when you're just getting through that ketosis, the first stage, you do feel all those things. You do feel fatigued. You do feel sluggish. You just feel like you're lethargic. Like, you don't really want to do much. You can't really do much. You feel like you're going through that flu-like symptom type situation. But once you're over that little hump, which only takes a couple of days, by the way, if that. But once you're over that little hump, you feel so energetic. You feel so good. And that's one thing that I love about the keto, y'all. Like that's amazing, because sometimes for some people, it's not always get up and go and energy on 10 and be able to do these things. But once you get to that state of ketosis where you can just get up and go and do those things, then boom, you're there. So that's another great thing that I love about keto. And I probably said that like 4 times already, but it's true. Another thing that I love about keto, I'm not sure if this is more so keto or more so intermittent fasting, but I'm going to throw it in here because I feel like it really helps. It really helps me. I do believe that when I'm on keto, I am less hungry than I am when I'm not doing keto. And that's typically because I've trained my body to do the intermittent fasting. So I've trained myself to only eat throughout a particular time of the day. But because of the types of foods that I'm eating that are high in fat, those things, and high in fat and high in protein, those things are more filling than the average food. So it fills you up much faster. And I find myself not being hungry throughout the day. So when I tell y'all, sometimes I struggle to eat three meals a day because I'm just not hungry when I'm on keto. Yes, I'm hungry at certain points of the day, like noon, like when it's the first time for me to eat, and then like around 6 or 7 when it's my last time for me to eat. That's when I really want to eat, but I'm never at the point where I'm like starving and I'm so hungry and I gotta have 4 meals a day. I don't get to that point simply because keto just makes me feel full with the type of foods that I'm eating. So yeah, like it really helps. And if you guys don't know the type of foods that you should be eating or the things that you can or cannot eat on keto, I do have a 13-week meal plan, and I also have a recipe book for things that you can eat on keto. That 13-week meal plan is literally week by week meal prep ideas that you can do for that entire week or whatever dish that you want to eat, and it gives you the food to eat. It tells you what to eat, you know what I'm saying? And then also on the recipe book, that one also just tells you how to make your favorite, foods a keto version. So think of those particular foods. So if that's something that you're lacking or something that you just don't want to give up, you may find that recipe is, something that you can keto-fy. You can basically look on Google, try to find some keto versions of food. Or if you want to, you can purchase my keto books. They are down in the description box below. You can go over to yourketogoals.com to check out that website for all your keto needs. I have supplements. We have fitness products as well as ebooks. All right, you guys. And the very last thing, which is my most loved thing of all about the keto diet. My skin on keto is lit. I mean, look at my skin. I don't have on any foundation purposely. Okay, I didn't want to wear any foundation for this video. But I don't have on any foundation. I don't have on any concealers. I literally put on moisturizer. Okay, put a little lip gloss on, couple of pieces of eyelashes because they're falling out right now. But I put. That's it. That's all I've done. I didn't put any highlighter on. I didn't put anything on. My skin just looks so radiant and beautiful when I'm on keto. And the second, you guys, I'm off keto and I'm out here living my best life off of keto and I'm enjoying myself, my skin will act a pure fool and let everybody know she ain't doing her doggone diet. I'm telling y'all, the keto has my skin looking so flawless sometimes. It kind of amazes me. Like, girl, like, how does your skin look that good? What are you really doing? And honestly, it's just a diet. And I figured out it was a diet because anytime that I'm not on keto, my skin is trash. Anytime that I am on keto, my skin is gorgeous. It's so radiant. It's so beautiful. It's not like oily or anything. It's not like super dry. It's just the right amount of what it needs to be. And it just looks so healthy and clear and smooth. And y'all, keto does it for me. It does it every single time. It's the real MVP, okay? But that pretty much wraps up what I feel, what I think about keto, you guys. I absolutely love it. Thank you guys again so much for tuning into this channel. If you have not already, please go ahead and join the fam. Subscribe to the channel, girl. I post vlogs, I post things about entrepreneurship and pretty much everything else you can think of, okay? Hit the like button down below and comment, you guys. So tell me, if you're on keto, what's your favorite thing about keto? Don't be shy, don't be ashamed, don't be scared, okay? Thank y'all again for tuning in. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye. Yeah.
Give me that.